Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra might not bring a completely new camera system, but it's shaping up to be a smarter and more refined upgrade overall. While the phone is expected to keep most of the sensors from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung seems ready to make meaningful changes through one new lens, bigger apertures, and clever software improvements, according to reliable leaks. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature one new sensor, a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto camera. This replaces the 10-megapixel Sony IMX75 for lens found in the S25 Ultra. The new 12-megapixel S5K3 LD sensor is made in-house by Samsung and has a larger size than the one it replaces. That means it should capture more light, leading to sharper details and better photos, even in dim conditions. The rest of the camera setup will be familiar but improved. The main 200-megapixel HP2 sensor will return as the primary lens. The 50-megapixel JN3 ultra-wide will stay in place, and the 50-megapixel 5x IMX85 for periscope camera will remain. The 12-megapixel front camera is also unchanged, but that doesn't mean the experience will stay the same. Several software-level upgrades are expected to make a noticeable difference. One of the biggest updates comes from Samsung's new adaptive pixel feature. This technology will reduce noise by combining multiple low-resolution images into a single, high-quality shot. The result should be cleaner, more detailed photos, especially in challenging lighting conditions. There's also a new 24-megapixel option for both default and portrait modes, providing a good balance between detail and file size. Another new addition could be a focus speed slider, giving users control over how fast the camera adjusts focus. This will be especially useful for videographers and photography enthusiasts who want more creative control. Samsung is also adding flexibility in HDR settings. Users will reportedly be able to disable for 10+ and switch to standard HDR whenever they prefer, allowing more consistency across different devices and displays. On top of that, a new video recording format called APV is expected to debut. It will come into quality levels: APV-HQ, which records at high quality and uses about 1.5 gigabytes per minute, and APV-LQ, which records at lower quality and takes about 750 megabytes per minute. This gives users the freedom to choose between premium quality or more storage-friendly options, even though only one new camera sensor is being introduced. Samsung has reportedly improved the apertures of the main and 5x cameras. Bigger apertures let in more light, which helps produce brighter, sharper, and more detailed photos, particularly in low-light environments. In short, while the ultra-wide lens will stay the same, most of the rear camera hardware will either be new or refined. Beyond the camera system, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is also expected to receive design and performance upgrades. The phone will likely have rounder corners and a pill-shaped camera array, making it look more modern and ergonomic compared to its predecessor. It will be powered by either the Exynos 2600 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite chip, depending on the region. Both are cutting-edge processors and will be paired with the latest RAM technology for smoother multitasking and faster performance. Charging speed remains a point of confusion. Some leaks suggest Samsung might finally upgrade to 60-watt charging, while others claim it will keep the same 45-watt speed but use a new, more efficient charging solution. Either way, users can expect better thermal management and possibly shorter charging times. All these changes make the Galaxy S26 Ultra look like a solid evolution rather than a complete overhaul. The combination of one improved sensor, refined apertures, and a range of smart software features suggests that Samsung is focused on practical improvements that enhance real-world photography rather than chasing specs for the sake of marketing. In terms of pricing, there's still uncertainty. Reports suggest there could be a slight price increase compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra due to rising component costs. However, given the number of meaningful upgrades, from better photo processing to new video formats and design improvements, many users may find the added value worth it. Overall, the Galaxy S26 Ultra seems to be taking a balanced approach: one new camera, several intelligent enhancements, and a focus on user experience. It may not reinvent the wheel, but it's shaping up to be one of Samsung's most refined Ultra models yet, proving that thoughtful evolution can be just as exciting as bold innovation.